My name is Leslie Seminario. Today I'm taking part in one of the In YOUnison workshops, and we're practicing singing. I'm also doing a little percussion for the first time. And we'll be also doing some poetry as well as a little bit of sewing.
What are you doing here today?
Practicing for the performance on Friday.
We've been together for a month, and having these weekly sessions, it's been a beautiful, transformative space that's been created by not just Kunya, Pangea and I, but also by the community that has decided to participate and be vulnerable to the process of creating, together.
Between the poetry and the sewing, I think both of those things have become my hobbies now.
And I'm going to wear a skirt, but then this goes all the way to the floor in the back over the skirt.
This is supposed to be the coral reefs, like under the sea, but I'm just doing that, making a twist with it, doing abstract art with it to make it more fun.
I'm excited for everybody to be in space together, and also for the community that's coming to see what's been created.
I'm the daughter of tobacco fields, the grandchild of mustard green.
We're totally out of clean lantern.
I am so excited with the turnout. I can't believe all these people showed up. We have such a great show, and I'm just excited to show everything that we've been working on for the past month.
Biscayne, peacefully choppy, teeming, rippling, engulfing, kaleidoscope of marine life, bay.
Between the notes, the empty space from which all possibility is born, possibility born of homesick hearts and hopeful souls.
And the people to sing, here is a place for the days to learn.
I think that IlluminArts and Vizcaya getting together to make this is fantastic. I'm coming back every year from now on. I've met some wonderful people. It's been so much fun, and I've learned some new skills.
We experienced a lot of vulnerability and authenticity and honesty from all of the people who have participated. So thank you to everyone who joined us for those workshops.